Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube Rimsha decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like today, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. And then don't miss another amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about birthday cake decorations for girls. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching handbag editorial cake decoration ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties for girls. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. All the designs are very unique and trending. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video. If you are interested in these types of design, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. All the designs are very amazing, beautiful, stylish. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. All the designs are very unique. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you are interested in these types, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any question about my YouTube channel, ask me in comment box. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. You can use each design for any celebrations. I hope you like this design with themed and color combinations. Whether simple, beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs, and take a screenshot of it and also do try my amazing and beautiful designs. These designs are very unique and trending. Thank you so much everyone for watching my YouTube video. Allah Hafiz.